Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very, very important closure of civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, when I'm reading this civil justice sign off, we all can be in the same page, and you all can be aware how the scandal is being exponentially increased, and it is all provided by the absolute monarchs, prostitutes alone, right? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, a quick overview of the civil justice is all about the United Nations organizations. And I told you, right, when I was working on the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 volunteer project, that United Nations organization leader was also resigned. He also resigned, and a new UNO, United Nations organization leader got elected. Okay, and it is because there's one thing that we are all in the same page on that regard, right? I was the only one human in entire worldwide educated. All nations must provide 2 healthy national holidays in a physical calendar year, and that must be only in the summer break, and that way it can help everybody, and that way all the nations can go hibernate, means shutdown mode, right? Can take their rest. Everybody can, just shut off every organization's operations for just 2 days in the entire physical year, and that will improve the quality, the behavioral health, and family health, everything. So that means I even broke the world record, even in providing the healthy guidance of how holidays should be provided, right? So I provided this UNO, United Nations organization, the old leader, must be the happiest one here today. I don't know whether he's living or not, but then I only educated that during the summer of the fiscal calendar year, each nation should have two nationalized holidays. Okay, one is family holiday, one is the human holiday. Got it? So that means I educated how that can help as a free rehabs. It'll be a $3 trillion rehabs. So that way, people who are getting out of that, shutting down the federal prisons and the state prisons and asking all the prison inmates to go to wherever they belong, right? Then that means this free true holidays in the entire physical calendar here will provide the rehab that is needed for the prison inmates to get healed, or the inhumane, insane, the backstabbers, right? And then abusive people to get healed, and the family feuds can be eradicated, and the people will be living in a family peaceful way like that. So I said there needs to be two nationalized holidays. First nationalized holiday must be called as the family day holiday. Okay, and the second one is the human day holiday. That's it. So it should be celebrated as a festival of love worldwide, and it should be designed that way. It should be only during the summer break. Means what? Whenever the children are having the summer school break or the college summer break, they can come back to their home they can spend that nice family time, the cherishable moments time with their own family and children, right? And I provided that will be an excellent process. And sadly, that it was around June of 2015. Remember, around that time only two important things happened. Okay, that's why, see, brain can remember certain things, brain cannot remember certain things, right? It goes by case basis. So I could remember that in June 2015 because I already educated, right, on the Ramadan, the Islam festival, right? That was in June 2015 only. That day only they blasted the tomb of Jonah. Okay, so that is a live proof that whatever happened in the incident or anything that happened in the Holy Bible is the truth. Okay, and they wanted to they thought that they can blast that tomb and they can destroy the true Christianity. That's how they're foolish, the Islam and Judaism, Zionisms are. Okay, so no doubt about that. But that moment, it was in the year of 2015, right? So then I also educated the United Nations organizations must provide this to us as national holidays. But then, sadly, that United Nations organization leader ignored my wisdom education. Okay, we ignored my education, and he provided a yoga day as an international day. Got it? It was like around that same, I think it is June 21st of 2015 or something like that, around the same time. So then from my end, I'm just only educating wisdom, right? So I thought it's all God's name to be glorified, and I was moving on with my wisdom education after education. Because if I'm going to stuck in one, then I'll be stuck in one, right? I do not want to do that. So then I said, God is always there, so God will take care. From my end, when all the nations ignored that importance of providing two important free holidays for entire nations worldwide, it was too much of $1 trillion of worth of healthy processing got ignored upfront, right? But versus they were able to provide unhealthy yoga as an international day, and they were able to blast that Jonah's tomb in Iraq, then Nineveh, the Levant, Mosul's part, right? But then, can you all see in the year of 2021, today, it is God's name, it alone is glorified. Can you all understand what is God's labor? Right, known to God labor only. Now that time it was what? Summer of 2015, right? So my brain was only analyzing mode. Where is, can I find anywhere a root cause that created the poverty? That was the only thing my brain was working, nothing else. So you all must have understood that whenever a brain goes in that kind of a very concentrated mode of working on that complex puzzle, the brain will not think anything, right? And it's all pure because of the God's wisdom only I was educating. Whatever I was educating, people were getting, initially they were doubtful, skeptical. Oh, whether this lady can even fix this or entire nation's garbage like that. But then, once when it started, by the time summer 2015 means what? Imagine how fast as I provided almost all the tasks. That is spring of 2014 means I started in March only, I think, around, and that's as his own story. It has like what, around that Malaysian Airlines, remember? That flew from China or whatever, and it got lost, and they, from Australia to other nations, they were searching for it and they left it out like that. That time only I started working on this project. Okay, so that is one of the proof, fire proof. Okay, so now when I'm saying all these, they will get recollected. Oh, is that the lady? Oh my gosh, like that. Can you see? So that time I never knew that it is only in summer of 2015, right? But by the time I'm going to come to the spring of 2016, I will figure out everything and I will crack it down. I never knew. Okay, but then from spring of 2016 and 2019, I cracked more truths. The truth means the rawest mode of the purest form of the truth. Right, and I never knew. When I was working in 2015, I was only educating wisdom, right? So that means when I was saying, hey, nations, all nations must provide 2 free holidays, that will be enough for $1 trillion free rehabs. No, there is no need for any rehabs. That means these 2 holidays will itself cure all the behavioral disorders and will help all the population to live happily ever after. Right? And heaven more. So people got educated worldwide, but then sadly these United Nations leaders, they ignored my wisdom, and that is the proof right now. So if you're going to ask that leader, he is resigned now. I don't know whether he's living or not, but then if at all he is living, he will be the happiest person because they all can relate now. Oh, okay, this lady or this woman, because entire educationists, be it physicists or chemists or everywhere, they know about my wisest education I was providing. Okay. So now we all got it, right? So now tell me, if only that moment the United Nations organizations provided those 2 holidays, the love festival love in year of every physical calendar year during the summertime, don't you all think between that June 2015 up until now there would never been at least any of the COVID-19 plague crap that would have created, that would have been prevented, isn't it? Right? How many family feuds would have been cured, right? How many family politics would have been eradicated? How many cancers, how many abusive movies would have been eradicated? But they never provided that pathway. And that itself is a life proof, my dear fellow mankind. Babylonians, they do not like wisdom. Let's keep it that simple. They just hate wisdom. Foolish, if you're going to look into the foolish people, the telltale sign is they hate wisdom. That is why wises will allow the foolish to be whatever foolish they are, because they know that they cannot understand and one fine day they will be caught. Right? So now tell me, today beyond the happiest mode, it is the United Nations leader, that old leader, must be shedding tears of shame. Right? That's how he even resigned. Because down the road I was explaining yoga scam, right? The scandal that is going on behind that yoga organization. And when I displayed all the errors, then there is a little bit of that conscience part, right? How they created the damage and ignored the wisdom part of it, and he resigned, and that's how we are having a new United Nations organization leader. I think that leader is from United States of America, right? So that means, can you all get it? How all the things that related to whatever I worked on that poverty free project only, meaning down the road on the highest level, the Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, they were all blacklisted from my end of analysis part. But it is my understanding, the worldwide nations were wondering something is going to happen down the road, because I'm explaining all the wisdom, right? And when I was blacklisting, all the nations, everybody knew that I was blacklisting those people, right? One side I was just quarantining them. That is an excellent medical processing. So when I was quarantining only those people, all the nations and entire human kingdom were just able to see the true criminals. But then I was just working on that last part of that, that puzzle part. Are they really, really criminals? Because I did not want... See, in civil justice, you should not prosecute innocent. So that means, let's say, if Pope Francis is innocent, I cannot prosecute Pope Francis, right? So with that end, even though I blacklisted Pope Francis, I just wanted to get the proof, the fire proof, if he's really the villain, if he's really the hell creator, or what, or who is it, right? So my brain was in a analyzing mode only in the 2015. So imagine 2016, 2017, 2018. So by the time I came to the 2017 only, I decoded that I'm the true owner of USA, right? But then on the side by side, the software world people, they wanted to track down and reach out to me whether I am a really a robo from alien planet. So can you imagine how the human brains in the panic mode even will think? Right, but then that's how I tracked down that entire 2017 and even the 2018, they were, this telecommunication created the abuse. I mean, they were trying to reach out. Remember that calls and how I missed all the calls like that. And then in October 2018, President, with the help of FBI, tracked me. Got it. So can you see how since 2014, 2015, and that's how Facebook even got freaked out. Remember about that emotional thing that's going on worldwide, and something supernatural is going on, and people got freaked out, right? It even started with Facebook itself. And because that's how I was providing a healthy processing, that is all. So you all got it, right? And how everything got related. Now everybody is witnessing it is the Pope Francis who created all the hell, right? There should never be any COVID-19 plague at the first place, right? Why nobody knew that? Why nobody stood up and educated the USA that, hey USA, a foolish USA, just listen. There should never be any COVID-19 plague, and why on the earth you are going on fooling the population? Nobody stood up and said that. Versus, I said what? I can see the COVID-19 plague, right? I can eradicate the COVID-19 plague. Means I knew all the scandal, it's all related, right? So you all got it now, right? So yes, so that is a error, right? Instead of keep providing a healthy Riyadh's festival of love, the United Nations organizations, they are all humans only. They are never monsters, isn't it? But then their all eyes got blinded because they are all pure slaves for Pope Francis. That is proved. Right now I'm proving it. So that means one side Facebook too, and the other side YouTube. You can get it, right? With the YouTube I'm talking out loud. With the Facebook I was talking in silence, right? And both of them has its own credit to be credited, right? I can talk. Only thing I'm not, in person mode, which I can, some of the videos, I think 1 or 2 or 3 videos, I even provided I recorded the video of me and then provided the testimony as well, right? three or four videos, I think, video sessions. That's what is my understanding is all about. Yes, my dear fellow mankind. So can you see how the brain functions? So how even I could realize it, how all the natural disasters that is happening throughout worldwide, be it earthquake, be it snow blizzard, be it avalanche, be it mudslide, right, be it world wildfires, all related to my whatever injustice happening to me. Can you see? And it is how, and you all can you all relate how people, it is very difficult for them to digest the truth whatever I'm saying, because I'm not wearing the costume. And the other one is I'm just an average Jane. I'm colored skin and just obese frame. I'm not in that whatever that appealing look that needs to be. And that is one of the root cause for the people to not to believe me whatever I'm saying, because it's always out of the box, right? For their eyes, for the audience eyes, I'm just an average woman. But then they're not able to understand my real truth, wisdom. It's almost like, how to say, family will say, if the children are telling to the parents or the elders, oh no, you are too young, get out, we cannot believe you, like that. You know what can you understand? It's the same thing in a huge scale, larger scale, because nations are there in the audience as a classroom, governments are there, right? But then wisest among them, slowly they started to understand, oh, there is something, God's Holy Spirit, that's happening right now. It took over the whole world. When there is an evil force side by side, there's a God's Holy Spirit that is taken over the entire world. So then there is something holiness in this lady who's talking always wisest. And that is how people started to listen to me very quietly. Nobody heckled me, nobody asked me any questions, because it was a pure, complex educational classroom alone. I would put it that way. But it took that many years. But I was able to. That means when the World Bank provided that 2030 as a target date, and the President Obama Democrat administration provided that date, they never must have had a clue that I, Vedapriya, would finish it. Instead of 2030, I would finish it fast as possible, like fastest than a robo. That is why everybody was in total shock that how fast as I can finish it, the task, the complex task. So, but then today, 2021, you all got it, right? And it is through COVID-19, God's name is glorified. Can you all understand the truth of why God is God always? Yes, we are all undergoing that crisis. We are all in that emotional stress because of whatever injustice bombarded on us in the form of COVID-19. But beyond that, can you all witness, can you all sense, can you all feel the God's Holy Spirit part of it? Whatever I'm educating. Right? When you're seeing a disabled population, only God's name is glorified is the wisdom. People cannot mock disabled population. Right? And all the entire year, can you see how President Trump is innocent? Right? Can you see that? Can you all can you all get educated correctly? Because that is very important, right? You all should know why I'm constantly educating that on all my display of crime, why President Trump is innocent. And you all know worldwide how they reacted when President Trump got elected. London and other European nations even said, no, we don't want President Trump to come. Even population in United States, they never wanted President Trump to be elected. There were populations saying that they want to get out of the USA if at all President Trump got elected. So there were supporters one side, there were haters for President Trump as well, which happens for everybody, including me, I would say, right? Because the critics are there always, no matter what, whether you're living, whether you're not living. The critics will always be there to provide demotivation or critics on their language or whatever. But people, when they're able to handle it in a healthy way, then it's it's able to, then it's good thing. Otherwise, the people who cannot handle it, then that's where the issue is, right? But then initially, when the European nations, they never wanted President Trump to visit their nations. Later on, what mode? No other go live with that mode, deal with it, handle with that mode means he went. President Trump went, right? You all must be aware of it, right? President Trump went to the Europe nations, right? And President Obama in his administration also went, right? And that was the time that France leader resigned, because I was displaying the crime of France leader, right? And he resigned immediately. See, these people are so cunning; they know how to, hide all those crime and get away free with it. But sadly, they never knew true Christianity is always true Christianity. They always mock. That's why if you're going to see all the European nations, the European population also, right? They are innocent. They mock true Christianity after all. If you're going to talk to them about the holy marriage law, the true law part of it, they will upfront laugh out loud and they'll mock. Hey, that's a fake humbug. It's a, like how, what's that movie called? The animated movie, Christmas Carol, right? The Christmas Caroling. So yeah, it is. So then now you all get it. Now you all are getting it, right? That means even for my family members, it will be toughest for them to understand my wisdom education. It's been like that forever. It is because my way of education, though in the wisdom ways, it's almost like, oh, you are, or you can, whatever you're saying is, we cannot believe, oh, just, you don't know anything, you don't know anything, like that only. I've been ignored. Okay, even during growing up years, I've been ignored like that only. But so then that says it all, right? So, but then when I was working on this poverty-free project, then nations and worldwide, they started to listen to me, because they knew that that Holy Spirit of the God that is taken control over the worldwide, and it's for good. So whenever something is for good, people will rush towards that, isn't it? Only something is not nice or very filthy or something that's going towards a destruction, then people will back off. But then people were running towards the classroom because they were all getting that message or something that Holy Spirit part of us taken control. And we need to get back to that classroom. So yes, my dear fellow mankind, can you see why? I don't know how to explain that. Can you get it? Why my peers will have the toughest process to understand me? It's only because why? I'm speaking out of the box. I'm not if you all must be witnessing right now, this moment, right? I'm not talking like other women population of my age group, both elder or younger, like that. Can you see? Even among the men population, I'm standing out on the crowd. So there's something that God's way of helping to reach out to the people and for that, God chooses always a clean heart, and that is why God chose me. Got it? Otherwise, imagine all these are, it's all trailing. It's all a chain reaction mode, right? 2016 itself I finished. And from 2016 to 2019, I cracked down all the puzzles. The last of the puzzle was the Italy Stock Exchange Borsa. Boom. That's all. That's where I went and came in the full stop. And that is why I educated the people should never provide tax. And when I said that's a wisdom, right? Humans must never pay the tax. It is the USA and all the nations only that must pay the tax. That's how they provided the robocall to me. Got it? So even in that scam mode, I took it in a positive way for myself. Why? President Trump wanted to use the FBI to track me down, to because that mode, that October 1st and 2nd and 3rd, 4th, those days only they were working on finalizing the elections, or they were just looking for that Supreme Court judge job. And that time, because of all my education, worldwide wanted me only to be the Supreme Judge, right? So that itself is a life proof, my dear fellow mankind, why they wanted to steal my job. Because these foolish people are foolish after all. They never do not like wisdom. Now imagine that October 2018 went, October 2019 went, October 2020 went. What if I was signed the job offer that then? These labor, I would have provided healthiest process already, right? But Brett Kavanaugh never even bothered to do anything, right? So it's a life proof. It's a God's name to be glorified. And yes, this is a little bit of that overview about that United Nations organizations, and worldwide they will get the, oh yeah, that lady is the only one in the entire human kingdom was talking about the 2 national holidays. Oh, is it Vedapriya? Oh my gosh, is that lady? That's how people will react today. And I don't know from summer 2015 up until as of now, I don't know people who were living that time. I don't know whether they are living or not now. Got it? But this means they've said, right? Something, if people want to remember means, okay, they'll use some keywords. Then they will get, oh yeah, like that. Can you see? That is why I'm using those 2 words. The 2 words are what? Family day, and then second word is the human day. I am the only first human in whole entire human kingdom, and broke the world record saying that these 2 holidays must be provided. And that is the cue. So now, today, whoever were living in the 2015, 2014, 16, 17, 18, 19, today they will be shedding tears of joy, shouting loudest, oh, is that the lady? Oh, yeah, we know that. That is the only lady who stood up and said that needs to be the nationalized holidays. Oh, that lady. And I went when I was interacting with the Department of Justice of State of Wisconsin, I educated them that as well. And I even educated, okay, if the United States of America want to credit that healthiest welfare of, the rehabs, the free rehabs, the family welfare, festival of love, to be celebrated by worldwide humans. If at all you all want to credit that, if the USA want to credit that holidays named after my name, that's also fine. Because my name, part of my name is love, means love. Part of my name, it's love. Okay? So this is how I explained to them. So I provided all the solutions in an excellent wisdom ways. But then they turned their back of me. That itself is a proof that how foolish people eyes will be blinded. Right? And can you all see how even if I tell the truth, the people will not listen. They'll just not take me for the real thing. They'll just ignore me. And this is one of the life proofs. The Department of Justice, if at all they would have listened to me, then it would have been great, right? It would have been heaven. But they signed the injustice. The moment they signed the injustice, worldwide plague. Worldwide plague. That is a life proof that God fights for me. The true God who created me from the dust fights for me. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, that is God. Do you all believe in it? I know you're laughing. Okay, keep working on home, okay? So I will quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. Victims of abuse, patients, medical finance aid compensation claims process in the year summer of 2019, December 2019. If at all I'm repeating, it's okay because we all have to be in the same page, right? That's why. I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against for at fault and found guilty USA nation for $50,000 trillion. And that is why domestic violent prostitute United Nations organization created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves as of February 2021. And the crime count one is at fault prostitution. COVID-19 plague is Prostitute United Nations Organization. And they failed in welfare services job and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is deadliest crime of COVID-19 plague prostitute United Nations Organization of USA to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as a mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want prostitute United Nations Organizations of USA to pay tax-free $500 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and wild endangered species, domestic violence, Republica prostitute, failed in absolute monarch's job, and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species, for created COVID-19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on brain nerves of I, Vedapriya Prose. So I want wild endangered species, domestic violent leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs, direct deposit of or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second, and damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved, and Roman province Jesuits Orgs of USA in 50 states of Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, New York, New England, Maryland, Louisiana, Missouri, California, Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion, multiply with 10 states of Jesuits, it's 500 followed by 4 zeros, direct deposit to my bank account, domestic violent types, breach of duty, intentional infliction, emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, and imprisonment and types, and trespass to land chatters and types. Now, can you all get it? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. Facebook must be laughing out loudest, happiest mode, right? Because those two are the keywords, right? Oh, yes. That lady was working on poverty-free earth end of the project. Oh yeah, she was the one, only one human being stood up and educated about nations to provide that nationalized holiday. Now Human Day, and the nationalized holiday too is Family Day. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Is that the lady? Oh no. Because of whatever Facebook were doing their code patches, that's how they disabled me. I educated that, right? So this is how one side they'll be happiest, the other side they'll be shedding tears of shame for whatever damages they did to me. They have to pay $1 billion no matter what. So that is separate. But I'm saying those keywords because they will relate immediately to me. Out of 7.9 plus billions of humans, not even one human stood up and said that. So that is how I'm so confident. And it was only during that time when I was working in the poverty free, because I was working on different analysis, providing solutions, right? So God gave me the wisdom to provide that solution as well. That's all. So can you see how, and I never knew that down the road, 2016, 17, 18, 19, I will crack down more truths and that will shatter me more in pieces, right? So yeah, this is a little bit about the overview of that story about the United Nations organization leader, right? If you see all these people, they resign, and it is because I proved those scams. And now today they'll be happiest because we all got it, right? That it's all created as a scandal because of Pope Francis only. So he cannot escape. Queen Elizabeth only destroyed those organizations as well. So people were not wondering, people were only breaking their heads. Why United Nations organizations is filth? Why World Bank cannot help? Why World Health Organizations cannot help means, here you go, you all got the live fireproof, right? Roman Province Jesuits organization is a hell creator. So that's a proof. And can you see how my multitasking is also perfectly, is a perfect education. It's a perfect civil justice after all. Whatever proof they wanted, they get it in one roof, right? With all my wisdom, education I'm providing, the United States of America got all the fireproof that's needed to throw all absolute monarchs in ashes. And there is more crime to be displayed. This is just one of it. United States, United Nation organization is just one crime. It's one prostitution organization, that's all. So now you all calculate how much you all will provide for this damages. I provided the damages, and from my brain and in my book of civil law, $500,000 trillion is the cheapest medical finance aid that I can ask for. Whether USA going to provide that or not, it should be in the civil book. It should be in the civil book. That way, history can be created forever, right? Because that is how the discipline should be in a perfect mode. And you all got it now. You all got it now. Why President Trump, you're all laughing, right? He tied the hands with, he wanted to back off from World Health Organization. Why? So can you see there is that conflict of interest on side, knowing the truth and cannot tell it out loud, but just chew it more. He was in that discomfort mode after all. But still, he displayed his personality. Right? That shows, right? That shows what a civilian is. That itself is a proof that he's innocent. Don't you all think so? What is President Joe Biden doing? You're all laughing again one more time, isn't it? He wanted to reopen the World Health Organization relationship that was shut down by President Trump. So this is a typical politician way of act. They really don't care about whether there's a highest crime that's going on that is torturing the population or not, right? The World Health Organization must be sealed and shut down only because the crime is, they created the COVID-19, my dear fellow mankind. Now, President Joe Biden is a very toughest part. He's in the hot oil mode, right? He should get out of the White House mode only, right? Can you all see? Can you all witness? Because he's a lawyer, and being a lawyer, he never even knows that World Health Organization only created COVID-19 means. Tell me how can he can even lead a nation? Got it. He has been all along lawmaking and he never provided any healthy law. At least he could have provided the two healthy family welfare laws, which Festival of Love, which I provided. And he was a vice president only during that time when I was educating these two laws, right? Never did that, never provided that law, right? So there is a live proof. So that means you all might be wondering how on the earth this lady is so super confident asking that President Joe Biden to just get out of the White House means, yes, there is a proof here. Live proof. If at all he is a very family loving person, he should have first of all signed those two holidays then itself, 2015 itself, right? He should not be waiting for today. Because he's a lawmaker. Beyond vice president or whatever, he's a lawmaker, right? He failed in his job. When he failed in a very crucial job, how on the earth can he be a president? So why the people have to be fooled over and over again? Over and over again. At least President Trump never not being a lawmaker, never been in the politics, right? On the baseline level, he got that education, that World Health Organization, there's some scandal, highest level of scandal is going on because of my wisdom education, and he just backed off. That is also impossible task only. Nobody can back off from World Health Organization just like that, but he still backed off, displaying his personality. This is who he is, like that. If you're going to mark me, mark like that. This is what I am. I will just back off from World Health Organization. Right? And President Obama clearly, he displayed his personality. When I displayed the European Union or the France or the United Kingdom is the hell creator, he displayed his uniqueness. He provided his unique leadership qualities. That was excellent. He displayed upfront. He never feared for anybody. Same like President Trump, but it's in his own standards, in his own ethical standards. that during that time only there was an election went on. I educated you all, right? That they were asking for Scotland or Ireland whether they want to be slaves to Queen Elizabeth II or they wanted to be independent. Then they chose that they wanted to be slaves to Queen Elizabeth II. And the European Union and the Brexit, oh my gosh, that happened during that time only. Meaning London got the message. European nations got the message that all the nations got adulterated with deadliest Islam and Judaism. They are panic mode. They just want to, they cannot come out of the European Union because any European Union nations are all adulterated to be Republica, Islam, Judaism nation. So if you're going to see on every presidential leadership and the qualities and the way they provide that governance when being helpless mode, right? And it displays what they are. Now tell me how in all these things I cannot see any bit of little, even I just cannot see any innocence in President Joe Biden. I don't know. I just cannot. I'm just working on will there be any little bit of innocence here and there I can see. I just want him to get out of the White House. He cannot be in the White House. Sorry. He just cannot. Right? So sometimes we all know that he tried maybe 2 or 3 or 4 times or whatever times to be president, and at last he became a president. But then I'm proving that he cannot. Just ask him to get out. Means that is the truth. He is going to shatter USA more in pieces in the next 4 years, my dear fellow mankind. He just cannot fix it. He just cannot. He's going to create more hell. Do you want the United States to be more hell and to be more clown in front of all nations? All nations are already laughing at USA with whatever scam they are providing. Right? So don't all think I step in, I'm the true leader of USA, and I just start guiding. I already, with this video sessions, I already started running USA after all. Don't y'all think so? And I already educated that. When I'm displaying all the crime up front, I'm already started to run United States of America. This is a good leadership. This is an excellent leadership after all. Right? When a nation is in absolute crisis mode, absolute only injustice is being seen mode, a true soldier of God will, no matter what, at the cost of death, will step in and lead the nation just like that, abruptly. So it is a multitasking after all. You all got it, right? And as my dear fellow mankind, because I have to provide the overview, right, of why United Nations organizations, all of a sudden you all might be thinking, but it has its own story. Those keywords will trigger them to remember me. Me is the me who worked in Facebook too. Got it? So, Facebook tool and worldwide know, oh yeah, that Yoga International Day was, oh yeah. And you all know during that time only LGBTQ flag that came as a recognition only because I stood up for the transgenders population. So that's also another keyword. Today everybody will be remembered. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Means it is only after my education. So Dr. Fauci must have been there, Dr. Brinks must have been there. How many? Nobody educated, but I stood up and educated. It was again during the President Obama administration only, around the 2014, 2015. They realized the deadliest mistake that they forgot in the welfare software services. They immediately wanted that software code be written that the benefits must be provided to the transgender population. And two nations took that. It's still in the baby steps mode only because when people are foolish, they'll just ignore all the wisdom ways, right? So that means transgender population never got any help. That's the truth. I even educated that as well. When I said hormonal disorders, chromosome disorders only create transgenders, comes under the classification of birth defects. It is created by Pope Francis created genetic modified foods. President Obama got freaked out. India got freaked out. All nations got freaked out because they all will be answerable, right? Population will keep on asking, why this, oh my gosh, we are eating this hormone injected foods? And that's why there's a transgender, that's why cancer, that's why infertility. So immediately it was two nations who listened to me and they immediately they directed the Department of Welfare Services to include those in the software systems. But whether they got help? No. Never, right? Otherwise, why would there be even COVID-19 plague at this first place? The COVID-19 itself is a proof that Department of Welfare Services never provided any help. That is a proof. That is a proof. That's a life proof. So you all got it, right? So I have to provide this overview. So people who are working side by side with me, they all knew my wisdom, education, my dear fellow mankind. Today all must be shedding tears of joy, happiest and celebrating Merry Christmas, shouting out loudest only to the and shouting, singing Christmas carols, right? Enough for Queen Elizabeth to die of heart attack. Enough for Pope Francis to die puking worms and pus, right? Because they know that they are the ones who created all this havoc. So if at all I would have been recognized and given the job either in United Nations organization or in World Bank or in Center of Disease Control or in World Health Organization, don't you all think how many healthy processing I would have started guiding, provided long time back? So that many labors got wasted, right? My talent was wasted only, right? One side I educated, but I never got that authority. Population will listen to my wisdom. Even now people are listening, but then people also need that, okay, this way the Priya got this job and she has authority, okay, we need to listen to her and then do the task. Means that is a process. But these people are so foolish, the Republicans are so foolish, they want nations to be foolish forever, until for next 5,000 years, I would say. Do you all want to live in that kind of a slavery? Do you all want to wear that mask forever until your coffin? I don't think so, right? So let's all do it our way. Let governments know it's population time. It's our time. It's a payback time, right? It's a payback time. Don't you all think so? And I stand in front of all the humans and I talk for all the humans who cannot talk. Who cannot talk. We do not have to bother why people cannot talk, right? Because it's a choice, individual choice, birthright. Whether I can talk or I do not want to talk, it's my choice. Nobody can enforce me. So, what is the crime they provided? They mandated mask. I do not want to wear a mask, and they mandated mask. That's a crime. That's a deadliest crime. Do you all love to wear mask? It's your choice. I do not like to wear mask. That's not my birthright. When that is not my birthright, who is United Nations organizations to mandate me to wear the mask? It's a crime. I will say, kneel down in front of all human kingdom and pay me $500,000 billion direct deposit to my bank account. It is my choice what I will do with my bank account. Right? That much is a lot of money. It's my choice. I already said it's my choice. It's my life. I know what to do with those money. Who are them to damage my emotional brain nerves when it is already, it has to process in a healthy way? There should never be any COVID-19 plague. When there's a COVID-19 plague, who should pay me penalty? United States of American government should pay me the penalty. Who should pay the tax? United States of American government, because of the fatal negligence, only created the plague. So it is USA should pay me the tax. I already said I'm the worst tax collector, right? Oh yes. USA government will even curse me to death. Oh my gosh, why on the earth this evil tax collector lady is there? When USA was very evil in collecting tax from the population in a very injustice way, nobody stood up and provided civil justice, isn't it? Don't you all think it is our time, it is my time? I collect tax stylish way, my way. Right? I will ask, okay, USA, just throw Queen Elizabeth in volcano, and then also throw Pope Francis in volcano, and let them be gone in ashes. And who else is there? All the Islam leaders and the fake Israel leader and Dalai Lama, let them all be gone in volcano, and have all their family members to pay the tax. Period. Simple. I educated this only. Same thing I educated when I worked on the poverty-free earth. Means everybody will know, oh, this is the lady. Yes, we know that lady. That lady only, Vedapriya only worked on that project. So I have to provide these keywords, the magic words, for them to relate, right? That I only worked on that project. So they all must have got it. Software got it. Because it's not easy to provide the same education, same thing again. Because I repeated the same education to the Department of Justice, same education to the Secretary of State, same education to the Department of Children and Families, same education to the Hewlett-Packard, same education to the Associated Bank. How much of labor since 2014 up until now? You all calculate. There's nothing, no tweaking in here and there. But whatever that happened after that, I also provided that also. It's a scandal, isn't it? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. You all got it now. Now tell me, Prophet Jonah existed, right? Holy Bible is never fake. Islam, Judaism, Zionism, they wanted to create that as a rumor. That way their target was to destroy true Christianity, and Pope Francis will pay the salary for them for that. So that means even in the blacklisted mode, it was Pope Francis who wanted to blast that Jonah's tomb in Mosul, Iraq. Nobody knew. Even I never knew. Right? When we are all in the Christian population, what we will be thinking of Pope Francis? Our mind will not even think in that direction, right? We'll never even get to think, oh, is the Pope Francis a criminal like that? We'll not even be able to think of it. Pope Francis came to, because of my education, he got panicked, right? He ran to all the continents, even to India, but never to India. Confused? He just went to Sri Lanka, but he never bothered to get into the India. He knew. He's a criminal, right? He knew, so he never stepped in India. The last time the Pope Paul too, I was in schooling, and all I could remember on a very vague is what I was in middle school. When the Pope like that comes to a nation, then the entire nation will prepare songs and like that, and the schools and everything will be, all the schools will gather like that. It will be huge gathering, like volume. Crowd will be too much, right? And I was representing my school and then singing song. That's all I can remember. Can you all see why God is God always, all the time? I never knew that time. It'll be I who will crack down the code and display that Pope is indeed the Hell Creator. Right? Even in the Bible, how many times in the Sunday school or youth Christian group, right, would have read that creation process. Right? That's a Sunday school songs also about creations. God created creations, is holy, holy, holy. But then the moment I decoded the truth right from the same Holy Bible, it was like, oh my gosh, how long we have been reading this Bible, right? Forever. If you go ask all the Christian population, by default, even the children are in the womb itself, they'll be, mandated to pray to God like that. People will pray. The pregnant Christian women will keep their hands on the womb and they'll pray to God. So Bible means default Sunday school and everything. So I was in that mode, how did we miss that mode? When I revealed the truth, when I decode the truth myself in the raw mode, it was like, okay, then I realized it is God who chose me and wanted me to work on this project, and how all the people became soldiers of God as well in their own ways without knowing anything. Nobody knew anything, right? That means nobody knew that I will decode more truths above and beyond. I just was working only in the poverty eradication project, but I went on beyond, above and beyond, and decoded everything. The mystery of how God created Adam and Eve, right? Everybody was skeptical about that. Doctors were saying it's a crap, it's a garbage, it's not, do not believe that. Right? Doctors says that. There is never Adam, there is never Eve existed, there is never God existed, it's a crap. Versus God is God always, isn't it? And he wanted to choose a clean-hearted person to reveal the truth of God's love, agape love, the unconditional love to population. That's all. True Christianity is nothing, my dear fellow man, nothing, it's never fancy. No. There is no fancy attachments here and there. No. Simplest way of living, love, clean love. Is it a rocket science? Never. Can humans be taught on how to love? No, never. It's impossible. Right? Nobody can teach nobody to love, or nobody can teach nobody to hate. That is why the true love is always created by God. So yes, this United Nation organization leader, if at all he's living a retirement life or whatever, or maybe working for different organization must be happiest and shedding tears of joy. Because nobody knew that all these true things will be revealed, right? People will just say for their a regular working process mode only, right? That's how it's all started. Can there be anybody, if anybody willing, they never even pointed out, right? Because nobody knew me, I never knew them. It's just a news media. Through that news media only they reached out this communication, that's all, in a very generic way. It'll be good if anybody can crack down who is a true criminal for creating poverty. That way we can work on to eradicate the poverty by year 2030. That's all. It's a very high level, right? Highest level. Yes, it's a team process. Though I cracked down all the truth and I finished the task, people were saying somebody got to do, so let her do it, like that mode. All nations knew. They got it. Like when I started to provide wisdom, they knew something of that Holy Spirit of the God taken control worldwide. And it is for good processing. So let's wait more. And here we go. Today we are into 2020-21, and down the memory lane, the labor never went vain, isn't it? It might look it went vain because I never got paid, I never got the salary, I never got the rightful salary, right? When I should have got it. I should have got, it's not, for me, it's not the recognition part, you all got it, right? People will think, oh, she's wanting that attention like that. But then later on, they even realize it's never for that. I was working on that poverty true criminal. Who is the true criminal who created the poverty? That alone was my brain working on. And I cracked it down. It is that eureka moment, right? That's what all the scientists will have, that mode. They will, until they figure it out, their brain will be now constantly working on that analysis. It's a super brain drain jar. All the drop of the analysis will be dropped from the brain because that is how much concentration they have to provide. And that is the only one reason I did not want it to be an interactive way. If it would have been in an interactive way, it would have been delayed. I would never even finish the task. And if I would have posted only one posting per day, then I would have never finished those tasks. It would have been gone forever, right? And whatever I finished that, I'm just trying to work on to put it in a very shortest possible in a video session itself. That is how you all might be wondering. I started very recently, and today only I realized it crossed even 150 video sessions, right? It crossed even 150 video sessions. And it's all, each video session is a crime display of the true criminal who created hell, and that is Pope Francis. Everything traces only to Vatican. He cannot escape death penalty. He just cannot. And there is more crime, right? This we are working on what? This logic is working on COVID-19 alone. Then I have to go back. Then the programs go back to what? The robocall that provided to me. Because people have to pay me that $5,000, remember? Whoever created the robocall. President Trump cannot escape. He has to pay me that $5,000 for created the robocall. Right? That is a civil justice for me. I can ask him to live free, but just pay $5,000 direct deposit to my bank account. So yes, it took 1 hour, 5 minutes, and that's the way it is when I have to provide the overview. And they all got it. They all, today, this moment, Facebook and United States of American government, they all must be shedding tears of joy. Why? Those two keywords, isn't it? Family Day, Human Day, the nationalized holidays. All the audience will be shouting, jumping, and working on to touch the sky. Because With that two keywords, they must have known, confirmed. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This is the lady. Oh, yeah. We remember like that. And you all work on who am I. Okay. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.